very lucky. Our bells were all cast together as one set in 1906. So they're 119 years old.
Doesn't it make like a funny noise when you ring it down? Like a funnier noise?
Yes, it does, yeah.
What's the reason?
The reason is that the clapper is hitting both sides of the bell quicker.
Oh.
This is all. Stand next, please. Go, playing Bob doubles next. One to five, five lead. One to three. This is Whittington's.